Hello there, grade 10s. This is a very quick video explaining your next task in the biology unit. So here are the instructions. First, you are going to watch this video, which doesn't have a link yet because it's a link to what I'm currently saying right now. So there's a bit of a time loop situation going on here. Anyway, once you are watching this video, it will explain to go to the next video, which I will show you a little bit of right now. So here we have a video from Crash Course.
Are you sick of flipping pages to learn anatomy?
Yes.
Are you bored of uninspiring?
I'd like you to take a second and really look at yourself. I don't mean take stock of your life, which really isn't any of my business, but I mean just look at your body. Hold up your hand, wiggle it around, take a
You can put it on 1.5 times speed if you want to get through it faster. Anyway, you're going to watch this video, which is going to talk about some general principles of anatomy and physiology and review the sort of levels of organization of biology, tissues, and organs and organ systems and things like that. There are a few definitions in this video that you're going to need to write down in your notes. And throughout this lesson, you're going to be taking notes on a couple different videos. You're going to want to open up a Google Doc or get out a piece of paper. So you're going to watch about half of this video, up to 5:50, just about here. Once you're done that, you're going to go to the next. Oh yeah, and these are the right here. It says the questions that you have to answer, which are relevant to the previous video. So these are the these are the things to watch out for as you're watching that video. Then you're going to move on to the next video, which is 8 minutes long. Watch the whole thing. It's going to go through the 11 organ systems of the human body in detail. So let's look at a little bit of this. Okay, so I'm going to skip ahead to the first couple. So it's going to go through the 11 organ systems, which you can see right here. So for example, the circulatory system is the first one, at least alphabetically. That's how they organized this video.
Systems. Now, keep in mind, this is just a quick intro. So we're doing the bare bones, no pun intended, of
Good
the
one.
systems. And because they are all important, it's kind of hard to know where to start. So we're going to go in alphabetical order because we don't want you to worry system. You think of blood, and you should, because blood carries gases like oxygen, what your body needs, and helps remove carbon dioxide, what your body needs to expel. Your blood also transports nutrients that your body needs. Your heart is included in this system.
So let me pause here for a second. So one of the things you're going to have to do in this video is, well, two of the things you're going to have to do. You're going to have to define each system. Now, they don't really give you a simple one-sentence summary of the system. So you have to listen to the description and form your own definition based on what you understand. They explain it well. They just don't give you a quick one-sentence summary. You have to come up with that on your own. The other thing you have to do is you have to give 3 examples of organs that are part of each organ system. So for this circulatory system, obviously the heart is one of them, and is certainly the most important organ within the circulatory system. Now, there are 11 systems, and you have to list 3 organs for each of them. That's a lot of organs, and this video does not mention enough for you. So you're gonna have to do a little bit of research on your own. It's pretty easy to find. Just look up, like organs within each organ system, and you should be able to find 3 examples for each organ system. And try to list what seem like the most important ones. So if there's some organ that seems like a really small thing that you've never heard of, ignore that one. Go with the ones that you've heard of that seem like the most important organs within each organ system. So go through this whole video, and it's going to explain each of the 11 organ systems. And that's about it. So as I said, these are the 2 tasks for that video. Write a 1-sentence definition of each system and list 3 organs that are part of the system. When you're writing the definition, you're going to want to include what is the point of this, like what is the purpose of that system. That's the most important thing to think about when you're writing a definition. And then just as an extra resource, there's another video here which also goes through the 11 organ systems, but it does it really fast. It's just like a 2-minute long video. Very simple.
In the human body, groups of cells that work together system protects our bodies.
Integumentary system.
It also works to
etc.,
environmental
nervous
stem to
system.
muscular,
So
to internal
this guy goes through it very quickly. This might be helpful for you if you're having trouble sort of like synthesizing and simplifying the information from the previous video. Okay, and that is about it. So otherwise, all the other instructions are just as normal. The due date is Wednesday by the end of the day, and you just need to submit your notes in Google Doc or Google Doc of your notes. And that's it.